Ano ba?
You good? You good with the order? Hiniling daw.
1/4?
5 giniling.
1/4?
Shows the giniling, Pablo.
Walang budget eh, 1/4 lang. Pagkasyahin mo na.
Sabay-sabay na lang tayo. Let's do it together.
Okay.
The giniling.
Okay.
She's ordering giniling, so let's do it together.
Let's start with Ken.
Let's do it together.
Do it together. Alright. 5, 6.
Pwede ba sabay-sabay tayo?
Ako na.
6, 7, 8.
Ayusin mo, Pablo?
Right, left, and then right. Left, and then left. What's the first step? Dito?
Ay, sabay. Wait lang, practice tayo.
Practice it.
Okay, 5, 6, 7, go. Baby, you're the one I want you. Baby, you're the one. Baby, you're the one I want you. Baby, you're
Okay.
Okay na?
Okay. Sabi sa inyo, 1/4 lang.
Okay.
Sensya na. Hindi po kami nagsabay-sabay. Medyo nakakagulat po yung order mo eh. Giniling.
Anyway, 18, Sydney, thank you so much for coming here today. We just had a show yesterday, and then we flew, lipad agad kami papunta dito to have another show. And I know that some of you guys came from Melbourne, and then nanood pa kayo dito. Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. And of course, not just from 18 from Melbourne, but of course from other countries as well, or from Philippines. Maraming salamat sa pagpunta and showing support. And for our next performance, I just want to tell you a little story about this song. So 2 years ago, we had a collaboration song with such an amazing artist. His name is Jake.